What is up, guys? Josh from airsoft here. Today I'm going to be going over Conflicts 2 Bosnia Blast Camp Paintball and Airsoft. So, this particular mission, we spawned here at this spawn, and we were supposed to protect and look for info in these two barracks. And this particular mission, me and Christian were looking for information in Barracks 1 and suppressing fire at these two towers, right there. So you will see how we did it and if we got the info and whatnot. Be sure to subscribe and look for new videos of Conflicts 2. Enjoy. So tactical. There's no guys in the tower, close tower. Yeah, I think he's out. No, wait. I don't know what chasing. Yeah, 16. Well, that. No, 16's the
18 then. 18.
I think there's some in barracks too. There's some like boxes in barracks too. Right now I'm trying to get in contact with the other members of my team to tell them there is information in barracks 2 and we're trying to look for white envelopes in both the barracks.